days of the week in Japanese. Monday is Getsuyoubi. Say it with me. Getsuyoubi. 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 It sounds like this. Every day ends the same way. Youbi. That means day of the week. So you're learning one pattern. Tuesday is Kayoubi. Repeat that. Kayoubi. 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 Ka means fire. These names come from old elements and celestial ideas. Monday is the moon. Tuesday is fire. Wednesday is Suiyoubi. Now you try. Suiyoubi. Suiyoubi. Sui means water. Thursday is Mokuyoubi. Your turn. Mokuyoubi. Mokuyoubi. Moku means wood. Friday is Kinyoubi. Try that. Kinyoubi. Kinyoubi. Kin means gold. Saturday is Doyoubi. Give it a go. Doyoubi. Doyoubi. Do means earth. Sunday is Nichiyoubi. And again, Nichiyoubi. Nichiyoubi. Nichi means sun. So now you've got the system. Moon, Getsuyoubi. Fire, Kayoubi. Water, Suiyoubi. Wood, Mokuyoubi. Gold, Kinyoubi. Earth, Doyoubi. Sun, Nichiyoubi. Now let's test it. What is Monday? Getsuyoubi. What is Wednesday? Suiyoubi. What is Friday? Kinyoubi. What is Sunday? Nichiyoubi. One more time. Monday, Getsuyoubi. Tuesday, Kayoubi. Wednesday, Suiyoubi. Thursday, Mokuyoubi. Friday, Kinyoubi. Saturday, Doyoubi. Sunday, Nichiyoubi. 7 days, one pattern, just add youbi